Hi again! In this lecture we will learn to navigate the workspace in Revit. And first we will learn to use the mouse buttons. It's important to use the mouse with a scroll wheel, as using the touchpad can make it difficult. You'll frequently need to zoom, select objects and move around the workspace. If you are familiar with AutoCAD, the mouse navigation is similar, but with a few differences. Mouse wheel. Scroll the mouse wheel to zoom in and out of the drawing area. If you press and hold the wheel, you'll see this symbol on the screen, allowing you to move across the workspace. Another useful function is the 3D orbit. Press and hold the mouse wheel while holding down the Shift key. Look that with this method you can rotate any 3D view. Left button. The left button is used to select elements or create selection areas. Clicking with the left button selects an element, including families like doors or furniture. To select multiple elements, click on the first one, then hold down Ctrl and click on the others. You can also select several objects with a selection area similar to AutoCAD, and there are two types of selections. Right to left. Click and drag the mouse from right to left. With this, you will select any element that a selection area touches. Left to right. Click and drag from left to right, and this time it will select only the elements fully enclosed by the area. So, you might find these selection areas a bit tricky in the beginning, but don't worry because with practice you will get used to it. Right button. Right-clicking in the workspace opens the context menu with several options. If you click in an empty area, as I did just now, you will find options to zoom, repeat recent commands, or control the panels displayed on the screen. If instead you right-click on an object, for example on this door, you will see additional options, such as hiding the element or creating, in this case, an exact door like this in another location. Now I want to introduce to you the navigation wheel. It provides essential tools to navigate within the workspace and is especially useful when only using the touchpad. The options available differ between 2D and 3D views. Let's open the tool for this floor plan, clicking on this button. As you can see, I have options to zoom, pan, and rewind. To zoom in or out, I need to left-click on zoom and hold the left button while moving the pointer. The method is the same for all the options. Then, to pan the view, I select the pan option, and this allows me to move around the workspace. The rewind option lets me choose from one of the previous views I was in. Now click on the cross to close the navigation wheel and open a 3D view. This time, when you open the wheel in full navigation mode, you will find tools specifically designed for 3D navigation. Among these options, you can use the Orbit tool, which allows you to rotate the view, or the Up-Down option, which lets you move to view up and down with precision in the 3D space.